We're in the middle of renovating 5 bathrooms at once, because we're good at decision making. This is going to be our kids' bathroom, which naturally means it needs to have the nicest finishes in the whole house. We decided to fix all the holes in the wall and the rotten floorboards, and then wrapped the room in a cozy coat of Schluter. Our tiles were individually hand-painted in California by Fireclay. We wanted a tile that felt like it had been in the house since it was built in 1830, if they had indoor plumbing in 1830, of course. Working with the clay tile is pretty easy, if you're the one recording the person who's actually doing the work. I'm sure a lot of tile people are going to tell us how this is being installed incorrectly, so go ahead, just tell us. Too many levelers, not enough levelers, look at this pattern. We chose a black grout because everyone told us it's hard to clean and we're going to hate it, but we wanted the pattern to be the star of the floor. We thought a darker floor might make the room look a little bit small, but it turns out it is perfect. Let us know if you agree, and if you don't, just swipe to the next video and tell them about it in the comments. Follow along to see us finish this room this week.